today we'll do a project. Before that, I'll ask some questions. So look at me and guess what? Don't shout the answer. Shout?
No.
No. I will point someone and answer the question. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. What?
Great.
Don't shout. So, what?
Great.
Yes. And next one.
Sad.
Yes. And next one.
Hungry.
Yes, hungry. And
Angry. Happy.
happy. Yes. So,
Hungry.
hungry. Yes.
Angry.
And this one. Angry. This one.
Great.
Great. And this one.
Happy. Sad.
Okay. Now you eat. Head. Stand up. Head. And guess what?
Sad.
Yes, sad. Okay. Thank you. Your turn.
Angry.
Yes. Your turn.
Happy.
Happy.
Hungry. Great.
Yes, angry. Who is tall? This one or this one? He is tall or short?
He is tall.
Tall. Would you like to know his name?
Yes.
He is Ted. Who is he? He is Ted. She is Nanda. Who is tall? Ted is tall. Who is short? Nanda is short. He is my friend. His name is Ted. Is he tall or short?
Tall.
Yes, he is tall. Look at his head. Short or long? Short or long?
Short hair.
Yes, he has
Short hair.
Look at his eyes.
Brown.
His eyes. He has brown eyes. Look at his. What about his feeling?
Great.
Yes, he is great. Listen carefully. Don't repeat after me. Just listen carefully, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is my friend. His name is Ted. He has short hair. He has brown eyes. He is tall. He's great. Now repeat after me. Okay? This is my friend. Repeat.
This is my friend.
His name is Ted.
His name is Ted.
He has short hair.
He has short hair.
He has brown eyes.
He has brown eyes.
He's tall.
He's tall.
He's great.
He's great.
Okay, read on your own. Who is this?
This is my friend. His name is Ted. He has short hair. He has brown eyes. He is tall. He is great.
Okay.
Her name is Nanda. She has long hair. She has short eyes. She is short. She is chubby.
Okay. Look at your textbook. And you see pause, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
In here, you have to draw a picture of your friend. Okay, look at my picture. Okay, this is my friend. Who is he?
Mama.
Yes, this is my friend. His name is Mama. He has Yes, short hair. He has
Dark eyes.
dark eye. He is tall or short?
He is short.
Yes, he is short. What was his feeling?
He is happy.
Yes, he is happy. Now your turn. Look at your textbook and all of you have to draw a picture of your friend. How many pictures? One picture. Where you have to draw?
Here.
Here. Okay? Okay, let's start. Draw.
This is my friend. Her name is Chocho. His name is Chocho. His name is Chocho. He has short hair.
Is he great or happy
He
or
is
tall?
tall.
Okay.
He is great.
Great. Okay. Okay. Talk about your picture to your friend. Okay. Hey, work.
This is my friend.
Talk to your friend.
This is my friend. This is my friend. He.
Will do group work. Right?
Yeah.
I make you 4 members in one group.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So in your group, you have to draw a picture of your friend. Who will draw? Draw you. Okay. Who will color?
No.
Oh, you and your color. Okay. You will. All of you. Two of you suggest how, right? Who will present? Okay. So I show this. You have to write your friend's name here. No? Write your friend's name here and draw a picture. After that, you have to present to your class. So yes. Okay. Yes, a dark copy. Okay, you color dark eye.
I want to color. Me too. I want to color.
I wrote your group name.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll pick up a name and one of student come out, presenter come to the front and
This is my friend. This is my friend. His name is Jojo. He has short hair. He has dark eyes. He is short. He is short. He is happy.
okay, thank you. So look at me, guess what?
Angry. Sad. Great.
Okay.
Hungry.
Now are you hungry?
No. Yes. Yeah.
Now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Class is over. Austin. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.
Thank you.